going? By now, you've probably seen a lot of floats dressed to the nines. Well, in a moment, I'm going to show you some Rose Parade floats with their petals off.
I'm Jack Perkins on the coast of Maine. Some things cannot be predicted. But if you're a commentator, you have to try.
Hi, I'm Cindy Reinhardt. If you want some great entertainment this weekend, or like Pinocchio or the latest from Spielberg or Robin Williams, I'll take you front row center at home or at the movies.
I'm Kerry Millerick. How many hours of bowl games can one man's brain endure? We'll tackle that one and more this morning.
I'm Dale Harimoto. We'll have all that, plus news, weather, and everything you need to know to make this a great weekend.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Bob Goen.
And I'm Dale Harimoto. Welcome to the very first edition of Great Weekend.
At the top of the news this morning, Mikhail Gorbachev and Ronald Reagan used television to wish the American and Russian people a happy and peaceful New Year. We'll have that story and all the top news in just a while, as well as comprehensive weekend weather for you.
We'll be here every Saturday morning with information you can use to help plan your weekend. Information about weekend activities and attractions, plus much, much more. Everything you need to make your weekend a great weekend.
You know, a great weekend for me does not start unless I have 18 holes of golf under my belt, you know?
Golf?
Yeah.
Golf is so tame, Bob.
You don't like golf, do you?
Well, it's just so civilized. I'd much rather do something much more rugged and daring and macho like horseback riding.
Macho, yes. This
Yes,
is macho right
girl.
here. Yeah. I like riding too, but horses I'm a little leery of, so I try something a little more tame like a Rose Parade float, as a matter of fact. Yeah, and you'll see a report on that ride in just a while, right after we bring you the weekend weather.
Our intrepid weather reporter is Pat Flanagan. Now, every week, Pat will be at a different location somewhere in America. This morning, he's welcoming daybreak from a ski slope on Wachusett Mountain in Massachusetts. And Pat, I know it must be cold out there.
Dale, I'm not just cold, I'm freezing. It's 10 degrees here at Wachusett Mountain, I'm not kidding. But sunny skies in the forecast, we'll get up to the mid-20s, we're going to enjoy it. But better yet, look who's warming up my heart this morning. Nice little group, they got up this morning, the Wachusett Mountain Ski Area Banner, you got to love it. And what do you folks have to say?
We're having a great weekend!
There you go. Best rehearsal we've had all morning. Let's check out the Weather Act now. National satellite map, here we go. Very cold throughout the northern half of the United States. Cold, clear weather. Got a system, though, down in the south. Rain from Texas through the southeast and a frontal system getting ready to move into California. Highs today, I wish I had some highs for you. Folks, it's cold everywhere. Here are the high temperatures, if you want to call them that. 10 degrees, teens throughout the northern plains, throughout the Midwest and Northeast. Plenty warm down in South Florida, 70 degrees. 40s, 50s, and 60s throughout California, and 30s throughout the southern plains. The weekend outlook, well, here you go. Snow will fall throughout portions of the Midwest. The rain will continue throughout the south and southeast. Snow throughout portions of Nevada and Utah, and it looks like a frontal system will be moving into California and creating some rain throughout portions of northern and central California. That's a look at the national weather. Now, look, here's a look at the forecast in your area. Boston, 35 degrees and partly cloudy. Orlando, partly cloudy and 70. Minneapolis, St. Paul, 17 degrees, very cold. That's a look at the weather picture up to the moment. Now, a look at some skiers coming down Wachusett Mountain. We'll be back a little bit later.
Now, Pat, tell the truth. I happen to know you're a Southern California native. How are you really faring in that weather?
Dale, I've got at least 4 layers of clothing on. It's 10 degrees, and honest to goodness, I am freezing. I wish you and Bob could be here.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. We got a wind chill factor of about 72 degrees here in California.
Oh, you poor kids in that climate-controlled studio.
You bet.
Well, thanks, Pat. Try to stay warm.